Let's now look at some activities for which you can use the interactive virtual dice from CPD College in 3rd and 4th class. In 3rd and 4th class, they are working on multiplication tables. So one of the first things you could do is get two red dice. You throw the dice and you ask the children to multiply the two numbers and to write the answer on their dry white marker board and show you. So for example, 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 groups of 3 is 12, or 3 groups of 4 is 12. And the children begin to understand that it does not matter which way you multiply them, the commutative property holds. So 4 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Throw again. 3 multiplied by 6, 3 groups of 6 is 18, and again they write it on their dry white marker board and hold the answer up, or they could write it as a sum, 3x, and the x stands for groups, so 3 groups of 6 equals 18. Another little exercise will be to say select the pink and select the green. We'll select one of each and throw it, and you say subtract the green from the pink. Okay, so they have to take 50 minus 12, and again you can look at different strategies. Always talk to the children once they show you the answer so that they can explain to you as to how they arrived at their own particular answer. So 50 take away 12. Again, they write the answer and reveal it, throw the dice again. So you can do lots of subtraction, taking the green from the pink. So pink minus green, 88 minus 11, etc. Another exercise might be just to select the green, select 3 dice, you throw it, and again they have to add the 3 numbers and show. And again, talk to them about how they arrived at their answer. You could throw 3 pink. You could throw one of each. Throw. You can also work on difference. So let's pick, for example, we pick the green with the pink, one of each, throw. What's the difference between the two numbers? What's the difference between the two numbers? And after doing a few of these, the children will definitely understand that difference is the same as subtraction. Another nice activity is to do two-step activities. In this case, let's pick the 3 dice here. And you would say to the children, you are to add the 2 largest numbers and subtract the smallest. So add the largest, the 2 largest, and subtract the smallest. And again, that's a nice activity, and they can do it using their dry white marker boards. And again, we can do loads of those, and the computer, the interactive dice are generating random numbers as we go. We might also just take, for example, the red dice, and again, we could throw 3 dice. Throw, and would say to the children, multiply the 2 largest numbers and add on the smaller. So multiply and add the smaller. So 4 is 16, 2 is 18. So multiply the 2 larger and add the smaller. 6 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32. Or you could switch it, multiply the 2 smaller and add the larger. Or multiply the 2 larger ones and subtract the smaller. So again, you're moving one step beyond multiplication by tagging on an addition or tagging on a subtraction. So these are just some of the ways that you can use the 4 interactive dice in 3rd and 4th class, and I'm sure there's countless other ways in which you will discover the use for them in your own work in the coming year.